Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar Vadivel, a dental specialist that can help you with your sleep apnea. If you suffer from a lack of sound sleep at night, I know that it makes staying awake and enjoying life harder during the day. You are tired most of the time. You may also have tried a CPAP machine and quickly found out that you are not comfortable using it because it falls off during the night. As an alternative, I want to offer a dental sleep device that can resolve that problem. There are two custom devices that can help keep your airways open at night. This will enable you to get sufficient oxygen during the night, and it will also stop the snoring, letting your partner some get rest too. One of the devices moves your lower jaw forward slightly, which keeps your soft tissues from the throat blocking the airway. It'll also keep your tongue out of the way. The other device works with just your tongue, ensuring that it does not block your ability to breathe while you sleep. If you still want to keep using your CPAP machine, another one of our dental appliances will let you combine these devices. Because it also holds your jaw forward, you will not need as much of an air pressure. I invite you to contact my office and let us show you how these devices work. Many people discover that they get a better night's sleep and rest on the first night.